Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can enable or disable the dark mode for your MS Word. So if you want to enable or disable the dark mode or apply some other themes to your MS Word, then you need to follow these simple steps. First, open your MS Word. Then, once you are in this page, you need to click on the accounts option right here on the bottom left hand side. Once you click on the account option, you can see that the office theme is currently set to white. This office theme is the one which determines the theme of your overall MS Office suite. So to change it, simply click on this drop down arrow right here. From here you can see that there is also a black system which will work as a dark mode. So if you turn this on by clicking on this black option right here, and here you can see that now the MS Word will run in a dark mode and it will work for each and every time you open or close the MS Word. That doesn't matter. Then there are also some other themes as well if you want to check them out, like a colorful theme with these different accents of blue and other colors as well. Also there are you may choose the use system settings if you want the MS Office to adapt to those settings that you have currently set on your system. So example, if the system is on light mode, the MS Word will automatically open in light mode, or if the system is in dark mode, the MS Word will automatically open in dark mode. And apart from that, there is also this option of dark gray if you want it to be a less contrasty. So you may also choose to use the dark gray option. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.